HYC, a pressure group in Meghalaya, has asserted that the state government should take steps for security of the teachers' livelihood in the state. Speaking to DD News, President of the Hinyotrap Youth Council, Roy Kopar Sindram, also said that the decision to introduce NCERT textbooks should not be forced on the government and it should be implemented only after proper consultations. Meanwhile, HYC President also said that the central government should approve ILP or any other regulations before they give their nod to the introduction of railways in the Khasi-Jaintia Hills region of the state.
Under the leadership of Shri Konrad Sangma, to kindly take a serious step, not only to go to Delhi and have a conversation with the leadership or the central leadership, but as a state, as the leader of the state, he should take cognizance of this matter, because as a society, as the public of the state, we feel that ILP is the need of the hour. And with regard to the implementation of the infra of the railway or connecting railway with the state of Meghalaya, our stand is very clear. Until and unless there are rules or regulation to regulate the movement of people inside the state, the HYC stands against railways.